Welcome to the ArcGIS Skills for Tasks, Projects and Freelance Work course. In this course, we will learn various skills for carrying out freelance work like making contour maps, making path maps, converting or changing coordinate system of shapefile. Other than that, we are going to learn individual tasks as well as a few projects such as digital elevation model and contour map project, watershed project, stream order project. We're also going to learn to make flow map. We're going to do a digitizing map or map digitization project and so on. This course is for those who have learned the basics of ArcGIS and want to enhance their skills further. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry, I have another course called ArcGIS from Beginner to Pro, which covers all the basics you need to start your work with ArcGIS, and that course complements this course perfectly. Please check the course content from the description to make your decision of enrolling to this course easier. Hope to see you in the course.